Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Riki's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make smoked lamb meats and vegetables pilau. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So I'll start by making the smoked lamb meat. So the first step, start by adding the sliced onions in the lamb meat, or you can use any other meat that you like. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and green bell pepper paste. Then you're going to add the spices, which is 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt to taste. Then you're going to add a half a piece of beef soup cube. This is called Magi, or you can use jumbo, optional if you don't have. Then pour 1 glass of water and squeeze a half a lime, and then mix everything well and let the meat to cook slowly by slowly till soft. Let the meat to cook slowly by slowly till it's super soft and the water is completely dry. Once your meat is completely soft and the water is dry, squeeze the remaining a half a lime and give a quick mix. Add a handful of coriander leaves and continue mixing, then add the grated carrots and mix everything well and let the meat to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, your meat is ready, and the next step you're going to smoke our meats. Afterwards, you're going to take a burnt charcoal, place it on a spoon as you can see in the video, then pour a bit of some cooking oil and cover for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And after 3 to 5 minutes, our smoked lamb meat is ready as you can see in the video, and serve on a bowl. The next step, you're going to make our vegetable pilau. In a medium-large pot, pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and add sliced onions and cook the onions till they turn color. Once the onions start turning color, add sliced carrots and cook them for about a half a minute. Then add a quarter cup of green peas and give a quick mix and cook them for approximately 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and cumin pastes and continue stirring, then sprinkle some salt to taste and cook for at least 1 minute. Then add 1 glass of washed rice and mix well and cover to let it cook for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, pour 1 glass and a half of water and mix everything well, then cover to let the veggie pilau to cook till the water is completely dry. Once you get to see the water is becoming less, add a bit of raisins, optional, and stir a bit and cover to let the rice to cook till it's completely dry and well cooked. And my veggie pilau is ready, as you can see in the video, and serve on a plate. And our smoked lamb meat and vegetable pilau is ready, as you can see in the video. Serve along with some salad and a cold drink and enjoy your veggie pilau and smoked lamb meat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.